Check it out, guys. Got the new GoPro Hero 13. Looking crispy with the new heat sink. Oh. Nice. Pretty sick, guys. This thing's got some cool new features. It's got like a 400 frames per second burst mode and 720. It's got that heat sink. It's got a new magnetic mount. It's an optional. I haven't picked it up yet, but so now you've got the magnetic mount on the bottom, the tripod, and the normal GoPro legs built in. Also has an optional magnetic charge on the side. So it's the same form factor as the 9, 10, 11, and 12, but it does use a new battery for this year. Here's what the batteries look like. They are at least another 100 milliamp hours, so that should help. And of course, the external charger was sold out, so I had to get 2 regular batteries, and we'll be charging them in camera for a while. As far as what came with it, you have the GoPro C-to-C cables. These are really nice quality cables. You get 1 curved mount, 1 bolt, and then the actual mount and battery, clip mount and battery right there. So, yeah, pretty cool. Can't wait to try it.